Are you still thinking how you can make your own raspberry jam, or are you still relying on the store-bought one? Worry no more, I brought you these easy to follow steps for making your own raspberry jam. This is very easy to follow. You only need 3 ingredients for making this recipe. This is very easy. At least you're sure of what you're putting inside your body. There is no preservative, all natural. Just watch to the end. Here I'm using 200 grams of raspberry fruits. So I'll be blending it with my hand blender. So I'll be pouring it inside my pot to cook it. So please remember to use your low heat while cooking it. I added 1 cup of sugar. So I will keep stirring it from time to time. So as it's boiling, please continually stir it so that it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. So as it's foaming, that shows you it's still on the cooking process. It's not yet ready. So you can see the foaming by the side, showing you that it's still in the process. When you don't see that foam anymore, that means your jam is ready. So I added 1 whole lemon. Yes, this lemon acts as a preservative, and at the same time it makes it not to crystallize, so it's important you add your lemon to your jam. You can see the foaming is becoming less. That means our jam is getting ready. So at this time, you're waiting for your jam to thicken up. So you can see no more foaming. My jam is ready. So I will check how thick it is. When you do this and it's not covering, that means your jam is ready and is thick enough. So now you can off your heat and let it cool. So you can see my jam is ready. So I hope you give this a try, and I know you will like it. Why don't you give it a try and make your own jam with no nonsense inside? It came out so well. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. It tastes better than the store-bought. Give it a try and you will not go back buying from the supermarket anymore. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like my video, please like it, comment, and please share. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.